what is an informed decision? On the one hand, we want decisions to be based on the best available knowledge that's out there. So it's sort of based on scientific evaluation, scientific research, scientific information that we have. So to gather the knowledge that we have, put that together and make a decision based on the best available research. But research is not everything, especially not if it's only natural science research. So on the other hand, I think it's also really important to think about whose interests are represented. How do we sort of how do we get different perspectives at the table? That means also engaging in political debates and discussions, and that means engaging with people who might have different opinions on this, and trying to then integrate these different ideas and perspectives into the decision that is made. It's part of the political process. And I think engaging in debate and discussion is a really important part of also making an informed decision.